Hi Grace, happy birthday. Sana more birthday to come. Kagigising ko lang, naalala agad kita kasi alam ko ito yung panahon na mga nagbabakasyon ready sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday ulit sis.
Hi Tita, good morning. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. Alagaan po ang health. Ingat po always. Love you, Ta.
Happy birthday po, Tita Grace. Ingat po palagi dyan. God bless po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Pakain ka naman dyan.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday. Love you. Ito yung pa-birthday ko sa'yo. Baling suso. Ito see. Happy birthday, Mami.
Hi Grace, good morning. Ayan, kagigising ko lang. Pasensya na. Medyo antok pa. Alas 7 gabi. Gusto lang kita i-greet. Ayan, happy birthday and sana ingat ka lagi.
Hi, my friend. Good morning. Good morning, the Philippines. Happy birthday, Grace. Today is your special day. I wish good health, more birthdays to come. Thank you sa lahat ng memory natin. Huwag ka sanang magbago, ha? Wala kang pasalubong sa akin nung umuwi ka. Pero it's okay. Alam ko na happy ka na dahil maganda ang iyong life ngayon. Basta huwag mo lang pabayaan ang sarili mo, ha? Dahil magkikita pa rin tayo see you soon sa pag-uwi mo dito sa Philippines. Kaya happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Mama Bear, happy birthday po. And sana ma-enjoy niyo po tong araw na to. See you soon Mama Bear.
Hi best friend, happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw na to. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo. I love you, I miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday. God bless your day. Love you.
Mabuhay.
Hello, good morning. Hi sis, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyo. Lagi kayo mag-iingat. At sana maging masaya ka sa birthday.
Ate Grace, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw mo na to. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong niyo sa amin. Wish ko sa'yo good health lagi, syempre. And more blessings para sa'yo.
Happy birthday po, Tita Grace. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat.
Saranghe! Happy birthday, Tita Grace.
Happy birthday, Ate Grace. More blessing and good health.
God bless.
Ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Grace. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Coming from Raven, Kashi, Lily, and Dan, and Sky. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tita Glenda. I'm wishing you happiness, success, and good health. Wish ko din na sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Enjoy your birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Glenda. Wish ko sa'yo is, good health palagi, at saka, more money. And then, more birthdays to come. And then, stay pretty always. Yun lang. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Ate Grace. More birthday to come. Pinaligtad ko lang. Wish you good health always. And ingat sa trabaho. Sa pagdadrive, ingat lagi.
And see you soon next year sa birthday ni Daddy. Ingat kayo lahat dyan. Bye! Bye-bye!
Hi po Tita Grace. Happy birthday po sa iyo. More birthdays to come pa po. Mag-iingat po palagi. I love you po. Thank you po sa lahat.
Happy birthday!
Hello, Ate Glenda.
Happy birthday, Ate Glenda.
Okay, go to the answer.
You first.
Okay, so.
It's okay, go. Go ahead.
Happy birthday, Ate Glenda. I hope you have a good birthday. And I hope all your wishes come true and you have good health. And I wish that God will keep you and your family safe and in general and
Happy birthday. Good health and more money to come.
Ate Glenda, happy birthday. Enjoy mo lang yung araw mo. Sana gabayan kayo ng Panginoon at yung pamilya. Happy birthday. Bye. 3. Happy birthday, Tita Grace from Orange County, Lake Forest, California. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your special day with love and love. Wishing you all the great things in your life. Love, family, Ordonez. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate! Ingat ka dyan. Salamat pala. Happy birthday nga lang.
Happy birthday lang.
Hello Grace. Good afternoon. Day, happy birthday Day. Sana maging masaya yung birthday mo. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo, ha? Okay. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace! Happy birthday, Day! More birthday to come and enjoy your birthday. God bless you always. Happy birthday ulit, Day! Happy birthday, Tita Grace!
Hi Gracie, happy birthday. Stay young and fresh. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sister Grace. Wishing a good health and more birthday to come. Thank you very much. God bless and more blessing. Ingat palagi.
Hi, Tita Grace. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tita Grace. Happy birthday. God bless you and to you and your family.
Hi,
Grace, happy birthday! Sana lagi kang malakas. Ang daming birthday na pinagdadaanan mo, ganun pa rin. Sana more to come. 100 na birthday mo, ganun pa rin tayo. 100 na birthday mo, dyan pa rin tayo. Happy birthday! Grace, thank you very much.
Ate Grace, happy birthday. Wish you more blessings to come. Sana maging healthy palagi, stay beautiful and humble. Sana umuwi ka uli dito para marami tayong blessing na nare-receive kapag December pag marami po akong pa-order. Thank you so much. Thank you sa maraming tea palagi. Love you, Ate Grace.
Yan, anak, pwede na yun. Hello, Day. Happy birthday! Sana lalo kang gumanda. Gumanda at gumanda palalo. At saka, ano pa bang pwede ko sabihin sa'yo, Day? Wala na yata ano masasabi sa'yo, kundi happy birthday, good health, Basta yun lang, mahalaga yung ano ka, malusog ka. Tsaka lagi kang nakatawa. Lagi kang nakatawa dahil lalo kang gaganda. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Day! Ayun na anak, tama na yun.
Hi Grace! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang lagi stay healthy, pretty, and happy. Salamat sa mga sinishare mong blessing sa amin ng buong pamilya. We love you! Hi Ate Grace! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko is good health and more blessings. And thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong nyo. Simula kay Mama, kay Papa, kay Dan, until now. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. Ingat ka parate. God bless. We love you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Te. Ingat po kayo dyan lagi. God bless. Good health lang.
Day, happy birthday! Salamat sa lahat! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tita Grace. Ingat po kayo lagi. More birthday to come. Ito po.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace. More birthdays to come. Ingat po palagi.
Hello po, Mami Grace. This is Julia Barreto. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Palagi po kayong mag-ingat. May God always bless you po. Oh, sorry. Diyos na yon. Charis. So, ayun na nga. Good health po. And I miss you, Mami Grace. See you soon sa Laguna Beach, California, US motherfucking A. Love you, Mami Grace.
Good morning, Tita. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good morning.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Hi Tita! Happy birthday po! Wishing you all the best in life. Enjoy your day. Have a blast!
Happy birthday, Malay! Stay healthy and God bless!
Hello, Grace. Magandang gabi sa iyo. Kumusta na? Happy birthday. Pasensya ka na. Wala mga regalo sa iyo. Kunti bati lang. Sana magandang kalusugan mo ngayon dyan. Araw na ito. Bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para sa mga anak mo, mga apo ko. Happy birthday ulit, Grace!
Yeah. When the day is said and done, in the middle of the night and you're fast asleep, my love, stay awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. 'Cause so many times